Hi, my name is Lilia. Welcome to this tutorial on how to draw a football/soccer ball with face paint. You will need the colors black and white, any round brush of your preferred size, and a medium-sized filbert brush. Take your filbert brush and draw a white circle. Make sure the paint is quite dry. Then load your round brush with black and give the ball an outline. The next step is probably the most difficult part. You need to draw a pentagon right in the middle of the ball. I always imagine drawing a house, but with walls that are slightly bent inwards. Make sure that all of these lines have the same length and that the pentagon's size is a third of the ball's diameter. Then draw a line from each corner of the pentagon to the outline. The last step is to draw little triangles to indicate the other pentagons. And there you are, the football is done. You can also add some grass. If you need ideas what else to do with this football, try adding a national flag. I have created a playlist for football design, so take a look and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Alright, that was it. Let me know if you have any more questions and subscribe to my channel for more face painting fun. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Bye!